Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a simple but very useful Zener diode tester using a few cheap electronic components. With this circuit, we can quickly measure the working voltage of different Zener diodes in just a few seconds. The DC voltmeter has 3 wires. Black wire is ground and negative supply. Red wire is the positive power input. Yellow wire is the voltage sensing wire. We solder the 22K resistor to the yellow wire. Then we solder the 12K resistor to the red wire. Heat shrink tubing is added to prevent short circuits and make the circuit look cleaner. To make the tester more practical, we place everything inside a small enclosure. The box size is about 4 by 6 centimeters. 2 holes are made on top of the box for the red and black probe terminals. Zener diodes will be connected here during testing. Advantages of this circuit: very low cost, easy to build, fast Zener testing, portable design, good for repair technicians and hobbyists. Disadvantages of this circuit: measurement accuracy depends on resistor tolerance, not suitable for high-power Zener diodes, no current limiting adjustment, input voltage must stay below voltmeter limit. After connecting the 30-volt DC power supply, the voltmeter turns on and shows about 25.7 volts. But wait, why not 30 volts? Because the resistors inside the circuit create a voltage drop. Part of the supply voltage is lost across the resistors before reaching the measurement point. Voltage drop can be calculated using Ohm's law. A Zener diode works differently in reverse bias mode. When the voltage reaches the Zener voltage, the diode starts regulating the voltage and keeps it nearly constant. Now we connect different Zener diodes to the probes. The DC voltmeter directly shows the Zener voltage. Measured Zener voltages: 19.7 volts, 15.1 volts, 12 volts, 8.9 volts, and 2.7 volts. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this simple electronic project. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more electronics projects.